Hi everyone, my name's Scott. Welcome to Planes, Trains, Everything, and welcome to Aberdeen. Today I'm travelling with cross-country between Aberdeen and Edinburgh Waverley. This is a series of 5 videos which I'm shooting, which cover 5 different train operators in Scotland. I'm looking at the first-class products which they're offering. The other companies are LNER, Avanti West Coast, Scotrail, TransPenine, but today is cross-country. Okay, between Aberdeen and Edinburgh Waverley, the cheapest standard fare I could find was £20.80. The cheapest first class fare I could find was £47.50. That's a minimum difference of £26.70 for a 2-hour and 35-minute journey. Is it worth it? Let's find out. I have a checklist with 10 things on it, and each item will be given a score out of 10. That'll give a nice grand total out of 100, a nice percentage at the end of this video. Just behind me up there is the first class lounge. That's used by first class passengers from Scotrail, LNER and some Caledonian sleeper passengers as well, but not cross country. Cross country don't do lounges. They have none across the UK at all. I went onto the cross country website and I wrote down a few things on this bit of cardboard here. We have a fantastic range of complimentary food and drink items available, served to your seat. My question is, if you're paying a supplement to travel in first class, are they really complimentary? They also say, our colleagues on board will do everything to ensure your trip is a first class experience. I'm looking forward to this. Here's a question for you. Can you think of any other rail operator apart from cross country who charge a £1 service fee to collect a ticket from one of these self-service machines? I pre-booked my ticket, I collected it, they charge you £1. Because I've got over an hour to kill before my train, and because there's no lounge access, I'm on the hunt for breakfast at 6:30 in the morning. Oh yeah. The whole idea of this video is to explore the first class experience provided by Cross Country. Now they have decided not to use any lounges across the UK, and I think it's probably down to that. As a result, they won't be getting any points in Aberdeen, they won't be getting any points in Edinburgh as well. I just hope the on-board service makes up for the shortfall, because the maximum they can score is 60 out of 100 now. Would you like a laugh? Of course you would. Last night I went on Tripadvisor just to see what kind of reviews were left for cross country. There weren't a lot. Of 143 reviews, 101 or 71% were down as terrible. What a mistake in a maker. Now, it's like any other service provider. If something goes wrong, you'll hear about it. If something goes right, you don't hear a peep. So I'm giving them the benefit of the doubt. Forever the optimist.
Travel with me, it may be that Sam. Good. It's all about the wording, and we ask all the teams to do this.
from Dundee all the way down to Penzance. We'll just run through your stops for you. And we're going to call next 10 minutes time into Lucas, followed by Cooper, Ladybank, Markage, Kirkcaldy, Inverkeering, Haymarket, and Waverley, Downton, Almas, Newcastle, Third Darlington, York, Leeds, Wakefield, Westgate, Sheffield, Derby, Burton-on-Trent, Birmingham, New Street, Cheltenham, Spa, Bristol Parkway, Bristol, Tampa, Leeds, Taunton, Tilbury Parkway, Exeter, St David's, Newton Abbott, Totnes, Plymouth, Liscar, Bodmin Parkway, Par, St Austell, Truro, Redbridge, St Erth, and we're due to Penzance tonight at 21:35. Now, first class accommodation at the rear of the train, unreserved seating today. For standard class, you at the end of each coach for suitcases, smaller items go on the overhead.
Well guys, that was surprisingly quite good. A lot better than I thought it was going to be. The carriage is actually starting to show its age, and as a result it lost a few points. But I gave Cross Country 57 out of 60, and that is a grand total of 57%. If they did lounges, of course they would have gotten more points, and that would have been a pretty good product. The guy I was sitting next to got on at Dundee, was travelling through the Leeds. He was saying he normally travels LNER because the food selection is a lot better. There you go. Anyway guys, thanks very much for coming along on this journey with me. First class experience with cross country. Like I said, better than I expected. And I'll see you next time.